Let's do this.
Well, it's a really cool place. Ken Hickey's house at Hervey Bay. You should see the views as you drive in here. It's amazing. He's moved up here just recently. He's bought a cracking house on plenty of land. And we haven't looked at the hot rods yet, but we're going to check out his man cave. It was a granny flat, but Ken's decided to turn it into a man cave. Look at he's got awesome shit. Oh wow, look at that. That's unreal. Paradise Road, eh? Cool. You're a mad collector too. It's great, mate.
It's not holding if your shit's cool.
Is that a katana?
It is an 1100 wire-wheel katana.
Wow.
1982.
I've got to make this so into those. He has 3 in his lounge room like this too. That's great. I've got that model at home. It's one size down, that 32 with the red wheels.
Oh yeah.
It's a famous hot rod, that one, isn't it? I think. Well, my dad collected it. It looks exactly the same. The old penny, jungle life. I like your turkey. Unreal, mate. Well, has this been christened yet?
The bar?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Fuck yeah. That's cool. They put them on all the lowriders now, don't they?
It came out of our Insel lowrider we bought out of Florida a few years ago.
Right. This is great, mate. No, I can imagine the damage you can do in here.
Been a few headaches already.
Good on you, Cam.
7, 6, 5, 4. Let's do this. Brom's Garage Crawl! Let's do this!
So it's just a bit of decorative art now, is it?
Empty, yeah.
Well, the other bits and pieces on it look good.
Mm. Everybody wants to buy the bits of it.
You'd rather just leave them there looking at them. Yeah, why not? Oh, you got a cigar tin. Is that a cigar tin?
Yeah, box.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? I know, what's his name, that guy that plays the Arnott biscuit tin? No. I know him that well, I can't remember his name now. Hey, can we turn that down? Can you just turn that down? Because it kills content.
It does.
The bastards, I hate it when they do that. So Corralman's done, mate.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a shame, isn't it? And this is Ken's latest project, the XBGS original 302 Fairmont. Those wheels do look good on it though, Ken.
They do.
They look fantastic. They look good on anything, those wheels. They'd look good on my hot rod.
They were another marketplace score.
Yeah, very nice.
Got 275 on the arse of it, which is pretty hard to get them under there, but the offset's perfect.
Wow. That's fantastic. They do look good. It's going to be fantastic, and we'll just do a story with Ken feature. It'll feature in the next magazine, but looks like it's going to be orange and black in the GT mode. It should look fantastic. How's your interior looking?
It's not too bad. It needs reinserting and stuff, but it's actually a genuine W2 option, which was only really for the GT Falcons.
Fantastic. Oh, scored well, mate. And they've fired the engine up. They've tidied it up, put new fluids in it. Oh, wow. That's really neat and tidy, mate. So I suppose that's all coming out.
Yeah, full rotisserie sandblasted.
Have you got a rotisserie, have you?
Not yet.
No. You'll weld one up, or?
Yeah, I'll just make some round hoops. Round hoops and then 2 bars.
Right. You're a clever bugger. Good on you, mate. Well, thanks for the garage tour, mate. Much appreciated. Willow Bank Raceway. There's some of that history there, mate. Yeah, very cool. That's a good poster. Oh, the old Peter Painter on there, mate. Good on him. I see him coming up a fair bit with them travelling the States. They're putting his poster up and spreading his ashes, and good on him, mate. Yeah, it looks great.
Guy gone too soon.
Yeah, I was actually up here, well, up where he lives, ready to do his story when his dad passed.
Right.
And I was actually driving to his house. He goes, Brom, I've got to go, mate. And I never caught up with him again. Well, I saw him at back to Brunswick and said, mate, we've got to do that story. Yep, no worries. Didn't happen. Poor bugger. Well, I think you should take me for a run.
I will.
Let's go. Oh, fantastic. How good's that? How neat is it?
Electric to hydraulic power steering.
Sounds like we're ready to take off, huh? I'm seriously thinking about moving the Vicky on and getting something that I can, an Edsel wagon or something, you know, something cool, a bread truck or a delivery.
Yep.
Something. Could be nothing cooler than turning up and doing your story with that, you know.
Yeah, that guy that travels the States doing the barn finds old Haggerty.
Oh yeah.
Haggerty Insurance.
Right.
He had an old Ford Galaxy wagon with it had a 427 side oiler in it.
Yeah, right.
And manual.
Oh.
And he found it and bought it, and that's what he used to use.
What the fuck's that? Looks like the
Jaws.
Looks like the one from Manly Fun Pier.
That guy used to be a one of the shark catchers here.
Right. Getting this exhaust sorted. Not bad. Well, I had a ball at Ken Hickey's house. It was fantastic. We didn't do a terrible lot except watch a lot of gases on YouTube and drink beer. But riding around in his PHAT 36 is just a treat. Well, there's plenty of other stuff we did. His missus was overseas in New Zealand, so we got some hookers round and we had a pillow fight. Actually, we didn't do that, but anyway, it sounds good. Anyway, on to the next one, guys. So thanks for watching and stick around.